Ever lost access to your Google account? It's like losing a key to a treasure chest, isn't it? It's a sinking feeling, a combination of panic and worry, like being locked out of your own house. In this digital age we live in, a Google account is more than just an email address. It's a lifeline. It's the hub of our digital existence, connecting us to a web of services that have become essential in our lives. Imagine being unable to reach your emails, your important documents, your precious photos, and so much more. Each Google account is a treasure chest filled with invaluable gems of our digital lives. The dread of a lockout is real, it's palpable, but it's not the end. You're not alone in this. There's a flicker of hope in the dark. But worry not, there is a way to regain access to your Google account. Regaining access to your Google account is as simple as retracing your steps. Let's begin this journey of recovery together. You first make your way to the Google account login page, where you would typically enter your credentials. But alas, you've forgotten your password. No worries, just look for the Forgot Password option. Click on it, and you're already halfway there. Now Google will ask you to enter the last password you remember. Don't fret if it's not the most recent one. Even an older password can set you on the right track. If you can't remember any passwords, there's the option to answer security questions. These are questions you selected when setting up your account, so they should be familiar. Next, Google will need to verify that it's really you trying to gain access to your account. This is done through a secondary email or phone number that you have previously linked to your Google account. A verification code will be sent to this alternate contact. Once you've entered the correct verification code, you're just one step away from regaining access. It's time to reset your password. Make sure to choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used before. This will help to keep your account secure in the future. And voila, you have regained access to your Google account. Keep this process in mind, as it can be a lifesaver if you ever find yourself locked out again. So let's quickly recap the steps for recovering a Google account. First off, head over to the login page. If you're stuck, click Forgot Password. Next, try your best to enter the last known password. Don't worry if you can't remember, you'll get a chance to answer security questions. Verify your identity. It's just Google being cautious. Once you've done that, you'll be able to reset your password. Remember, your Google account is important. Keep your recovery information up to date and never share your passwords. Stay safe in the digital world.